So here we are declaring a variable. So let some reference name, username, or some price like this. It is a number type. After defining as number type, now we are not storing any number. We are trying to print a value directly like this. I'm using backtick, price is equal to dollar price. So hereafter we use backticks with expressions to present our strings in an easy way. So a variable is declared, but value is not assigned. If a variable is declared and the value is not assigned, value is not rendered or assigned, and you are trying to use it, so that means it will return as undefined type. So undefined is a type defined for variables that are not configured with a value. Undefined is a type defined for variables that are not configured with a value. That means what? That is, variable is declared, but value not assigned. If variable is declared and value is not assigned, and you are trying to access that, then it will return a type called undefined. So the keyword undefined is used to verify. The keyword undefined is used to verify the value defined or not. That means in order to verify whether the value defined or not, we have to use the keyword undefined. So undefined is a type usually returned when you declared a variable and value not defined. There is no value defined. Now you try to access this. Observe, I will open and let's compile this and run this. So tsc undefined.ts and node undefined.js. You can observe price is declared, but value is not specified. Then see, it has to return undefined. So undefined is a type usually used in Typescript to verify whether value is defined or not. So we can use a simple logic like if price is equal to undefined. So undefined is verified by using undefined type. If type is equal to undefined, then if it is price is equal to undefined, then console.log say please provide price that we have to define. Else it will print this statement. It will print the price. Now this is something important you need to know is generally I will tell you about the concept here. We will discuss about that. That will be clear. As of now, once I save this and I will compile, you can see when I run this time it is undefined, then says please provide price. I entered some price into it. So later you can declare let price is declared and some price value is defined. You can initialize or you can declare. The price value is defined. If price value is defined, I will compile and this time it will print that particular price value. It will print the price value. So if a value is declared, then it will use that value. If value is not defined, then obviously it will return undefined. Here, one important thing is whenever we are working with the data types of Typescript, one important basic thing you should know is actually this is a general example first. I will give an example like this. But correctly how to define, I will tell you now. Actually, you should note one important point that Typescript supports union of types. Typescript supports union of types. That means a variable can be declared. Declared with multiple types. A variable can be declared with multiple types. See, as I told you that all are defined, all variables in Typescript are defined from the root type. The root type is any. Any is the root type. For example, if I am not sure what type of value is coming, then we have to declare the price as any type, because any is the root type. Any is the root type. That means it can handle any type of value. In that case, now price can be a number, it can be a string, it can be a boolean, right? It can be any type. So that means you can store a number, you can store a string, you can store a boolean, you can handle any type. But we need to declare a variable in such a way that it can handle only two types, or it can handle only three types, not others. If you give any, it can handle all types. Now Typescript have a facility of configuring union type. That means I am expecting price with only two types, either undefined type or a price type, a number type. I am not expecting others. That means price cannot be a string, price cannot be a boolean. I am expecting only two types for the price. Then how you can define union of types?